what is an advantage and disadvantage essay? We talked about two types of advantage and disadvantage essay, which I think Abhijit had a question on. One in which you write one in which it is simply given write the advantages and the disadvantages, and the other wherein it is saying that do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, right? So in such a case, when it is asking you, okay, I'm coming to the topic itself directly. So this is a topic wherein I'm today actually I want to take up this topic. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Okay, so here it should be D. Okay, now let's read the prompt. Directly going to the question, the increase in mobile phone use in recent years has transformed the way we live, communicate, and do business. So it has the use of increase in mobile phones use in recent years has transformed the way we live. One, the way we live. Second, the way we communicate. And the third, we do business. So it has brought a transformation in three areas. Okay. Then it says mobile phones can also be the cause of social or medical problems. So it is telling us that it can be also be so it has changed a number of things, but there can be a cause of social or medical problems. Now the next question is, so here to here we have the prompt. Okay, now what it says, what forms do these problems take? So what are the forms of, yes, Abhijit, I've shared my screen. Can everybody see that? Fine. So we are here. What forms do these problems take? So we are going to talk about social or medical problems. So what are the forms of the problem? So definitely you will have to discuss the forms of the problems. Then do you think that the advantages of this entire scene outweigh the disadvantages of mobile phones? Okay. So basically it is wherein do you think that there are more advantages than the disadvantages? Okay, yes. So we are first, let us understand the keywords, then we'll paraphrase the prompt. And before we paraphrase, yes, Shama says that medical problems, there can be crime, social crimes. Yes. Okay, so a few words here. We are talking about increase in mobile phones. We will be using the different terms like raise, surge, hike, increment, expansion, escalation, and accession. These are certain that I've already come up with today, so that you can just look into them and then you can start writing. If there are any other words that come to your mind, you can just write down in the chat section so that we can add to our list. Recent years, nowadays, these days, transform, revolutionized, revamp, reconstruct, remodel, altered, amended. Way we live, so it's a lifestyle. Any other word that comes to your mind, let's just add it to our vocabulary list. Communicate is like the way we connect, interact, or disseminate. Dissemination means, spreading of the ideas. To do business, here it says business basically means enterprise, but here it says the way we work, basically it means, so to work, we do our occupations, to employ, to enterprise, entrepreneurship, are other words that you can write. What is the cause, motive, accounts for, or any other word that comes to your mind. Reasons can be used. Pioneer, pioneer I'm writing here. Pioneer will be used if you are the first person to do it. Okay, so if it can come over here, responsible for, accountable, accounts for, accountability, right? Social and medical problems. So for problems, you can write issues, complications, predicaments. For social, it can be civic. For medical, it can be pathological. It can be preventive or curative. Okay. Lack of socializing. Yes, lack of physical activity. So I hope you're all making a note. Okay, fake news, cyberbullying, environmental harmful rays from the tar, weak eyesight, birds do get affected. Okay, fake news, socio-political propagandas. Yes. Okay, kids who game a lot. Yes, that is a big issue these days. Disruption in sleep cycle, cyber swindle, cyber crime, Okay, now these what we have come up with are all disadvantages. Now we want to talk about, are there more advantages than the disadvantages? What we have definitely talked about are disadvantages. So we have a list of disadvantages. So what is the list of advantages then? What are the advantages of, you know, this transformation that mobile phones have brought in our lives? The world has become closer, emergencies handled in a better way, time is managed well. Okay, all of you make a note of that because I've not been able to. I have just taken, because I don't have an extra slide today. So I'll just write down over here the advantages. Then we'll discuss the words definitely. Ease of business. Okay, because that is connected to our topic. Ease of doing business, convenience in what? Convenience of everything. Then we are talking about better connected world. Okay. So connectivity in all forms, faster communication, connectivity here, reachability, connectivity in every manner that you're talking means it, every form of it. Education access, yes, Ram, very well. Education, knowledge, awareness. Okay, so these are the, so this you can use as vocabulary, and these are also the things that you'll be able to elaborate in your paragraphs. Now yesterday we talked about the format, and the format I hope everyone remembers. The format remains the same. Unfortunately I don't have it in my slide today, but I'll try to share the other yesterday's so definitely you will need examples in everything that you are mentioning, and you will have to give reasons. So this topic is your reason. So that is clear that body paragraph 2 will also contain the same format, either this one or this one. In the conclusion, we had this format summary, and then we had a restatement of your thesis, and then you had a recommendation if you need a recommendation. So this was the format that we discussed yesterday. Now keeping this in mind, there is something that I have brought for you all, for those who find it difficult, and I don't want anyone to wander away today. So coming back to it, this is it. So I hope this helps everyone today. But before, I think I should not have given you this. Before I give you this, let's start. First paraphrase this. Okay, let's first paraphrase this prompt. You can have a background statement, that is a general statement on mobile phones. What are the keywords? The keywords are mobile phones. Then we are talking about problem transformation due to mobile phones, and the transformation is on areas like our lifestyle, communication, and business. So with using these 3 or 4 phrases and words, of course paraphrasing it, you can have a background statement, and then you can come to this point like, yes, many people agree to this and many people disagree to this. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll just go directly to where I was. Now this is trying to make, generally this, I am not a person who believes in giving templates. I am a person who believes in making my students write and work. But because I found many of you struggling yesterday, today I am elaborating on what you should be writing. So introduction. So this is one format. If you, like in other words, I can say it's a template. So if you want, you can have this template. So no one can deny that the summary of the question. So this is the summary, sorry. No one can deny that whatever is a summary, the paraphrasing that you write over here is an important issue. It has both positive and negative aspects. So this tells us that we are talking about the advantages and the disadvantages. So this essay will discuss the arguments supporting the main advantages and disadvantages, and further the notion shall be shared on this topic. Further the notion shall be shared means what? Because it is asking, do you think? That means you definitely have to tell at the end that there are more advantages or more disadvantages. So the notion shall be shared on this topic. topic. So this is one way, but you can definitely make these sentences and better in your own format. So try writing in your own format.